Hello and welcome to HW News. The Wall Street Journal report revealing how Facebook went soft on hate speech by BJP leaders in India has ruffled quite feathers. The report not only claims that the top official of the social media giant blocked action against BJP leaders despite an internal red flag, but also puts out a name. The name is Ankhi Das. Reportedly, she works under the designation of Public Policy Director at Facebook, but she is widely known as the company's lobbyist in Delhi. In this video today, we will talk about who is Ankhi Das and what is her alleged link with India's ruling BJP. But before going to that part of the video, let us understand what has happened in Indian politics on the issue since the report came out. Former Congress President Rahul Gandhi shared the report on his Twitter and said that BJP and RSS control Facebook and WhatsApp in India. Through this, they lure the voters by spreading false news and hate. After all, the American media has exposed the truth of Facebook. From the BJP side, it was the IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad who retorted, saying that losers who cannot influence people even in their own party keep cribbing that the entire world is controlled by BJP and RSS. He added that Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party were caught red-handed in alliance with Cambridge Analytica and Facebook to weaponize data before the elections. Congress spokesperson Randeep Singh Surjewala hit back and said that the Congress has never hired the services of Cambridge Analytica, but the BJP has been a client of Cambridge Analytica. He asked few questions. He asked, did BJP take services of Cambridge Analytica and its Indian arm OBI and SCL? He further asked, did the BJP seek the support of Cambridge Analytica and OBI in Mission 272+? Did BJP use Cambridge Analytica OBI in Jharkhand, Haryana, Maharashtra or Delhi elections? Now, he also asked that former IT head of BJP, Arvind Gupta, who also runs the largest portal of Government of India, that is mygov.com, why was he praising Cambridge Analytica? He further also asked that why did the Modi government not register an FIR on Cambridge Analytica and OBI if it was so sure that they weaponized the data? The questions are worth answering, but will Ravi Shankar Prasad answer to these? We don't know, but Facebook has indeed taken note of the Wall Street Journal report. It has also issued a statement. A Facebook spokesperson in a very animated response has said that we prohibit hate speech and content that incites violence, and we enforce these policies globally without regard to anyone's political position or any party affiliation. While we know there is more to do, we are making progress on enforcement and conduct regular audits of our process to ensure fairness and accuracy. Now, leaders of the Congress party, including Shashi Tharoor, who heads the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Information and Technology, said that the panel would like to hear from Facebook about the report. Now, that's about how the matter took Indian politics by storm. Now let's talk about Ankhi Das, the public policy executive of Facebook, who was named in the Wall Street Journal report. A day after the report, Das filed a complaint at Cyber Cell Unit of Delhi Police against a number of people alleging that she has been receiving threats on online posting or publishing of content. But who Ankhi Das really is? As per her LinkedIn profile, she has studied in JNU between 1991 and 1994. And before taking over as Facebook India's Public Policy Director for India, South and Central Asia in the year 2011, she has worked with Microsoft India from 2004 to 2011 on the same designation. Facebook India's policy team is considered to have a significant say in the company's strategy for the country. Ankhi Das is known for her ability to effectively network beyond India, that is with the valley-based officials. In 2017, Facebook further beefed up its public policy team by hiring Ankhi Das's deputy in Shivnath Thukral. Shivnath Thukral is the Public Policy Director, India and South Asia at Facebook. He was Managing Director of Carnegie Endowment for International Peace, India, and set up Global Think Tank's India office. Thukral spent the first 15 years of his career as a journalist with NDTV as a prime-time anchor with special interest in business news. A quick Google search and, like Ankhi Das, here is his article on Narendra Modi's website. Now coming back to Ankhi Das, she is known in the organization for having an astute understanding of both state and national level politics, which was apparently critical for Facebook in the run-up to 2019 elections. The Wall Street Journal report mentioned how Das had posted on her profile an anti-minority message. Her sister Rashmi Das, who is editor of Telecom Live, is former JNU-SU General Secretary and former JNU ABVP President. Now, ABVP is the student wing which is affiliated with Bharatiya Janata Party. Ankhi Das's sister was also associated with World Organization of Students and Youths, which is again ABVP linked organization. Well, there have been several questions on Facebook handling of the hate speech policy and its alleged bias towards BJP, especially Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But it is important for us as users of these platforms to be mindful of it. So we have compiled some of the pieces that ponder upon Facebook and country's politics in an article. I will attach the link of the article below. Click on the link, read the article so that you are better informed. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.